Dude, that is so sick.
Got some underglow for the Jenny.
Oh, some underglow. The sticker, you gotta have the sticker, the most important part.
I got it all intertwined. There goes some zip ties.
Is that all? You get a power and a ground.
Looks like everything else is already pre-connected. Yeah, color chase and everything.
Hey, unicorn color chaser.
Yeah.
We got it all laid out from the front to the back. Plug it up, and hopefully these work.
Everything but a 10.
We're probably just gonna wire it to the battery with an inline fuse somewhere in between.
Alright. Oh yeah. Dude, you telling me my fitment's been net off?
Yeah.
For how long?
Day 2.
We got the positive and the negative wire ran to the battery here, tucked it up under the fender. Now step 2, we're gonna try and tuck it up underneath the headlight and run it through the core support.
Once we get them on the front bumper, we'll slowly make our way to the side skirts and then onto the back bumper. How's the view down there?
It's not bad. There's a little bit of headroom.
Cool. Yeah.
Cool.
An inline fuse, some mini fuses, and terminal rings. It's time to strip. Woo, party! Can you hand me a knife? What am I supposed to do with these, Tyler?
The budget build, man.
The budget build?
It's not promising.
It won't ground out. That's what matters. Suck, Tyler. Where did you get these? All right, give me the pliers. Seems nice and. Well, it seemed tight. All right, so we got a positive and negative. Time to get it connected to the battery, and then we're gonna try out these lights to make sure they work before we proceed any further. That way, if we do blow something, we're gonna blow it now.
We've got lights. Look at this.
Oh, it works, guys. And the app hooked up to these, and hopefully they work, and hopefully they'll turn off. And then we're gonna actually,
Install them.
all right, guys, so this is actually really cool. I'm really debating on getting this for my Civic. Check this out. Off. Well, it was working a second ago, so that's off. And now check this out, guys. On. This is absolutely sick. If you guys think I should get this from a Civic, leave a comment down below. We got the app downloaded. Now we will mount them and go out for a nice cruise. Well, this thing is gonna look absolutely sick, guys, so stay around till the very end. Yeah, so the front wheel is off the ground. The back wheel is off the ground. One jacking point, and it's still that high.
I think it's time for the Zeds to get called up to the big leagues.
Oh yeah, man.
Woo! Check these bad boys out.
Yeah, these will be perfect. All right, so if the car does fall, at least it's gonna fall on some wheels instead of straight down to the ground.
Onto us.
They're pretty sick too, but
Not bad.
especially with the lights. Dude, this fender lining is already like destroyed. We're just shoving LED lights into a fender well. All right, guys, so we got the lights ran through the fender liner, through the wheel well, out to the back side, and now we got a wire coming out. The wiring ran up through the fender well of the Genesis rear quarter panels, going through the back side of the bumper and then coming out somewhere up underneath there. From now, we're gonna do the other side, make sure the other side is good. And then we're gonna start mounting these, and hopefully at the end of the night, we're gonna get a sick light show. Brake parts cleaner, that will clean off the side skirt and the front bumper.
I'm ready to light it up, bro.
Now, all the way down to zip it. We're gonna get the sides mounted now. Just using a few brackets and a few screws they gave us. So we got the side skirts mounted. Tyler's doing a little bit more cleaning on the front side skirt to mount the rest. Damn, you got a light show going on down here.
Dude. These are the Southern Lights.
Yeah, let's go ahead and get the back started on. Dude, that is so rigged.
Oh.
Like, look at this. We just got zip ties everywhere, man.
Alright, well, it is on. Alright.
Perfect. Now let's go ahead and get the mounts on and do the exact same thing to the other side. Oh, dude, this looks so sick.
Check it out, man. Custom rigged underglow.
I am so debating doing this to my car now.
Dude, this does look pretty sick.
Alright guys, so we got the driver's side completely done, all mocked up, all bolted down. Time to do the passenger side, and then we'll be ready to light up the streets. Dude, it's tough when it's low to the ground, ain't it?
A screwdriver shoved right through it, and another zip tie, and it's holding pretty good so far.
This thing is so rigged. Just got some food, so we're tired and sluggish.
It's been a long process.
Yeah, definitely quite a long process. Still need to do the back bumper.
Sweet. Yeah. See him?
Yeah.
This looks so sick.
Hell yeah. Anything again? We have to rerun that.
Might need to jack the car up.
Alright, so we got the LED strip almost all the way on. Tyler's putting in the last few screws and the brackets.
Let me get a screw.
Yeah, work that thing.
Yeah, buddy.
This thing is sick. Hello.
What's up?
Yeah, this is awesome, man.
I think it's gonna light up the night.
Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.